Hi friends, today topic is rational numbers exercise 1.3. Express each of the following decimals in the P by Q form. First one Anna 0.57. Solution. So here after the dot 2 digits are there. So 57 by 100. Since 2 digits are there after the decimal point. Next, second one 0.176. Solution. 176 divided by 1000. Since here 3 digits are there after the decimal point. Next, third one 1.00001. So solution 1.00001 whole by 00000. Since 5 digits are there after the decimal points. Next, fourth one 25.125. Next, 25.125. 25.125 divided by 1000. Here 3 digits are there after the decimal point. So first one is completed. Next, second problem. Express each of the following decimals in the rational form. P by Q. First one 0.9 bar. So let us take x equal to 0.9 bar. So x equal to 0. Bar is there now. It means we have to take so many times 0.999. It is equation 1. Here periodicity is 1. So equation 1 should be multiplied both sides with 10. So it implies 10 into x equal to 10 into 0.999. So 10x equal to 9.999. This is equation 2. So according to the problem we have to solve equation 2 minus equation 1. 10x equal to 9.999. X equal to 0.999. So minus 9x equal to 9.000. So therefore x equal to 9 by 9, that equal to 1. Therefore 0.9 bar equal to 1. Next, in second column, second problem 0.57 bar. So x equal to 0.57 bar. So x equal to 0.57 repeated times we have to take. This is equation 1. Here periodicity is 2. So we should multiply equation 1 with 100. So 100 into x equal to 100 into 0.57. So 100x equal to 57.57 up to so on. This is equation 2. So according to the problem, equation 2 minus equation 1. So 100x equal to 57.57. X equal to 0.57. So 99x equal to 57.00. X equal to 57 divided by 99. In this 3 table, 19 times, 33 times. Therefore, x equal to 19 by 33. Third problem. 0.729 bar. X equal to 0.729 bar. 0.729 bar. So, x equal to 0.729 bar. Therefore, x equal to 72929. This is equation 1. Here, periodicity is 2. So, equation 1 should be multiplied with 100. It implies 100x equal to 2.929. This is equation 2. To solve 2 minus 1. Therefore, 100x equal to 72.929. X equal to 0.729. Therefore, 99x equal to 72.200. X equal to 72.2 divided by 99. That equal to 722 by 990. 72.2 by 99 into 10 by 10. Therefore, x equal to 361 by 495. It cancelled in second table. Next, fourth one. 12.28 bar. X equal to 12.28 bar. X equal to 12.2888 up to so on, that is equation 1. Here periodicity is 1. So equation 1 should be multiplied both sides with 10. It implies 10x equal to 122.888. This is equation 2. So solve 2 minus 1. So 10x equal to 122.88. X equal to 12.28. So 9x equal to 110.60. X equal to 110.6 divided by 9. So multiply with 10. 110.6 by 9 into 10 by 10. That equal to 1106 by 90. Therefore, x equal to 1106 by 90. That equal to 553 by 45. So, second problem also solved. Next, third one. Find x plus y divided by x minus y. If first one, x equal to 5 by 2, y equal to minus 3 by 4. So, solution. X given x equal to 5 by 2, comma, y equal to minus 3 by 4. X plus y equal to 5 by 2 plus minus 3 by 4. That equal to 5 by 2 minus 3 by 4. Here for 2 and 4 LCM is 4. 2 one time 2. So 2 into 2 equal to 4. So LCM is 4. That equal to 5 into 4 divided by 2 minus 3 into 4 divided by 4 whole by 4. 2 2 times. 4 1 time. That equal to 5 2s are 10 minus 3 whole by 4. That equal to 7 by 4. Next, x minus y equal to 5 by 2 minus of minus 3 by 4. That equal to 5 by 2 minus into minus plus by 3 by 4. Here also LCM is 4. So 5 into 4 divided by 2 plus 3 into 4 divided by 4 whole by 4. 2 2 times. 4 1 time. So 5 2s are 10 plus 1 3s are 3 whole by 4, that equal to 7 by 4. Sorry, 10 plus 3 13, 13 by 4. So according to the problem, x plus y divided by x minus y equal to 7 by 4 divided by 13 by 4. So according to the formula 7 by 4 division, we can write reverse of 4 by 13. 4 4 cancel, that equal to 7 by 13. So the problem is solved. Next, second one. X equal to 1 by 4, y equal to 3 by 2. So solution. X plus y equal to 1 by 4 plus 3 by 2, that equal to, here also LCM 4 comma 2 is 4 only. 2 1 time, 2 times 1 time 2. LCM is 4. 1 into 4 by 4 plus 3 into 4 by 2 whole by 4. 2 times. So 1 1s are 1 plus 2 3s are 6 by 4, that equal to 7 by 4. X minus 5 equal to 1 by 4 minus 3 by 2, that equal to LCM again 4. 1 into 4 by 4 minus 3 into 4 by 2 whole by 4. 4 4 cancel, 4 2 times. 1 minus 3 2s are 6 by 4, that equal to minus 5 by 4. Therefore, according to the problem, x plus y divided by x minus y, that equal to 7 by 4 divided by minus 5 by 4, that equal to 7 by 4 into minus 4 by 5. 4 4 cancel. So 7 by 1 into minus 1 by 5, that equal to minus 7 by 5. Therefore, the equation is x plus y divided by x minus 7 by 5.